SimplyFlows is an RPA tool which helps with connecting of users' cloud applications and transferring data from one to another. I will demonstrate now how it works. So the use case is whenever we have a stored email in our Gmail mailbox, we want a calendar event to be created in our Google Calendar, and also we want to add a new row to a spreadsheet. So this is where the consent will be given, and let me show you how it will work. So we are selecting Gmail as an application here, and as an action will be to read all stored emails. The account which I want to connect will be a new account, a new Google account which I've just created. So now I'm granting simplyflows.com permission to view email messages and settings. Now I will connect to this new account which I just added, and I will test if the connection works. It says it does. This step is completed, so this block to get the stored emails from Gmail has been completed. Next, I want to do the setup for Google Calendar. This time I want to add a new event for each stored email. Again, I'll be using the same account. I connect here, and I will grant simplyflows.com permission to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars that should be done now. Again, using this connection, I am selecting the calendar, which is the same in this case, and I can pull some of the fields from the emails and use them. For example, I will use the email subject as the summary of the event, and I would also like to use the date and time of the email as a date and time for the event which will be created. Now let me test this setup here. It says success. I'll click done, and the last part is to set up the Google Sheets block. So in this case, I would like to have a new row added whenever I have a start email and then an event has been created. Again, I'll be using the same account. I want to connect now, and I want to provide my consent so that simplyflows.com wants to access your Google account to see, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheets. I will do that now. And then I need to paste the Google Sheets URL here. Which is this one. I can do a mapping. In this case, I only have one column subject, but let me map the subject to subject. There could be others, of course. The test was successful. Yeah, a test record was just added to the spreadsheet. And now I should be done with the setup. I can save this workflow of mine, and now I can run it and see what happens. So in my inbox, I don't have any start emails. So the result should be no other entries in the spreadsheet and not a single calendar event here, except for the test one, which I showed earlier. But right now I will go and add stars to 3 of these emails. When I come back to the application, to SimplyFlow's application, and run this workflow again, I should be able to see those 3 subjects of the 3 start emails populated here in the spreadsheet, and I should also see 3 events, and because the times of the emails where I just forwarded them are close to each other, that's why we're seeing these events so close to each other. These are the events created from the emails. And that's it.